guys. Damn, I look so tired. I know, yeah, I look tired. I just got back home because I got up early to bring my boy here to a appointment that he had, and then we stopped at the store to get some groceries. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the grocery. So let me just take care of these little ones.
Stop crying.
Yeah, time to stop crying, and I'll come back to you guys. Say hi. Say hello. No hi. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, so I got some apple. I got, what's this? Some kale greens. Some organic lettuce. I take so long to think this. Cauliflower, broccoli, onions. That's something I like, but my son wanted this, so I got cucumber. This sweet thing, I don't know why he took this up. Ew. But yeah, that's some elbows, macaroni. You want too much now, little boy. I got 2 of that. Some things for the dishes. I got 4 of these. They're apple juice. Yeah, I'll give some apple juice. Some yogurt. We have vanilla and strawberry. Some cheese. I want to make some pie. They love their pie in here, boys. And flax and drums. Turkey bacon. Bread. Got 2 of that. And also cereal. Yes, carrots, some green peppers, tomatoes, some more peppers, some potatoes. These are some margarine, oil, sugar, apples, and some black tea because I love me my tea. Also, I got me a pineapple. This is not yet ripe. Probably have to sit probably for a week. And milk. I hate this milk, but this is all lasting. So. Some chips. Oh my gosh, this is a garlic flavor. But this is plantain chips with garlic flavor. And some pretzels, plantain, some organic bananas, strawberry. I got my favorite nuts. These are cashew. And onion powder, smoked paprika, parsley, chili powder. And I got like some of these red beans. Sorry guys. So chop on my face. Some beans. Evaporated milk. And the sweet one, of course. And yeah. Just to wash. I have something else. A workout mat and something else. And yeah. That's pretty much it. Grand rising, guys. Good morning, whatever you call it. I just got up, guys. Today's Sunday. I don't even remember the last time, which day I left off with the grocery. I have no idea, but I was just out of it. I'm still tired, but hi. Alright, but yeah, today is Sunday. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, me and my boy up, and I'm about to make some breakfast. I know I have that to do, and then I'm gonna clean up. You're gonna help me clean up today? No? No? I want you to clean up. Do you wanna help me clean up? Yeah, but I'm gonna do that, clean up, and I'm gonna take you guys outside today. I don't know if we're going to the park or we just going outside, but y'all getting out the house. You happy about that? Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna make breakfast and I might have y'all in the kitchen with me, maybe. But I'm gonna do just that and we'll come back, we'll check her back. I don't know. Yeah. So alright, yeah, make breakfast with me. We're gonna do it together, right? Yeah. Should I take them, Eli? Oh, and somebody's up. Little Yuri is up. Come here. Hi. Good morning. Yeah, he's up now. Okay, so this is the turkey bacon. Hold on, dear. Turkey. So I'm gonna mix up this egg. I'm making some eggs. I'm gonna use this because I don't want no bread, so I'm gonna substitute bread with this. So this is for me. And Keyshawn wants bread. You really want waffles. I'm gonna make some cheesy eggs with some, what's this? Some turkey bacon, this brand. And yeah, I'm gonna make that. And I have some water boiling for tea, so yeah. This is it, guys. I hold me a cup of tea. And this one finishing food already. Watch him.
More sugar.
What do you mean need more sugar? Too much sweets. The tea is fine. Did you even mix the thing?
I did. Pass me some, man. Spend my food. I don't remember.
Who took up my thing? Who took up my food?
Talk about.
Yo, stop playing with me. I did 4, Keyshawn. Where my food at?
Maybe your food at.
The man take my food, yes? So good. You want some? Alright, you want this? You poop? My baby just gave me flowers. Where should I put it? Let me see. Yes, so let's go. Where are you going? You going in the car? It's up the hill. What's chilly? What are you talking? What is wrong with you? Sick. Where you going with jacket? Guys, it's damn near 80 degrees outside and this man saying cold. You have to be sick. You have to be sick, but I'm on my way to the gym now. So, yeah, and they are following me. I don't know why they're following me. I can't even get this 30 minutes or an hour for myself. They're following me. Them behind me. But I will see you guys when I get in the gym. He wasn't recording. I'm here recording the whole time, but it wasn't. But anyway, he said he's cool. Look at him over there. 36. And he said he's cool. I'm not going home, man. I'm not going home. Everybody. Here it is. Anyways, I'm gonna get started. Bye. Nice. 1, 2, 3, up. Down. Comfort. Yes. Yes, good boy. Yeah. Ready to stop?
No.
You gonna stop?
No.
You sure?
No.
Jesus. Do that and squat and see what happens. Jesus. Let's go. Show me what you got. Yeah. Let's go. Up. Use your two hand. Yeah. Up, down. Go again.
Number 3. Number 3.
Yes, 3 pounds.
Number 3.
Go ahead, Yuri. Go. Use both hands if you can't manage. Yes. Good. You strong now? You're a strong boy? Let me show y'all something.
Oh.
Look at Yuri. Look at him. Look at this boy. Eli, look on my bed. Look, Eli, why? Yuri, why you have it? Come here. Why you have Eli do you do you like this? Why?
No cry. You got the dirt.
When I tell you, my makeup all the way in the bottom of this thing. Like how? See everything well neat down there. Same way. I don't know, bro. Hey, look at your hair. Look at this.
What the fuck?
You did it. Look, but you clean. Oh my gosh. I'm done. Just imagine I go to the gym, all tired when I'm finished. Come home relaxing. Only to hear them in the bathroom, right? I go up there to look. My makeup powder all over Yuri's head is here. These kids be driving me nuts. Like they be driving me crazy non-stop. Oh my goodness. And this one is like the little I don't know, he's like the Seton, like he's the smallest one, but he's the Seton, yo. Like he be starting everything. Because when I look, he was all clean, and Yuri is just full of powder. Look, the little thing is still inside my hair. Yeah, but I'm just so done with them. I'm done for the day. I'm just gonna watch a movie and just relax, y'all. It's like 6 o'clock right now, but I'm just gonna relax and, you know, see a movie and call it a day. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my miserable day, and yeah, leave a like, a comment, and make sure y'all subscribe. Guys, we have 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank y'all, my newbies. Thank you guys. Just, you know, enjoy the ride and yeah, journey along with us, you know. Yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next one, as I will always say. Bye.